Hello guys, how to fix if brightness not working on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you slide for low brightness or high brightness, if it is not working, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows settings, and from the left side under system settings, from the right side go to and click on display, and here select brightness, click on a small arrow and change brightness based on content. Make sure that this option is turned off. If not, choose off. And check whether brightness of your computer changing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is again right click on a start button and choose device manager. Here first reinstall network adapter driver. So go to network adapter section and right click on your network driver, choose as per your computer, right click on your active network adapter and choose uninstall. Let the window complete the uninstallation process. After that, close the windows and restart your system. After restarting your windows, again go to device manager, right click on a start button and choose device manager. Here go to action tab from the top menu bar and choose a scan for hardware changes, and your uninstalled network adapter driver will automatically reinstalled in your system. The one more workaround to work here, expand display adapter section and right click on it and choose update driver. Update your display adapter driver and choose search automatically for driver and check whether your brightness of your computer changed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to control panel of your system. Here choose power options and here click on change plan settings and change plan settings, and here click on change advanced power settings. A new window will open. Power options, here power mode HP recommended active, change balanced, and if in your computer is balanced or already activated, then change HP recommended active, means change power mode once. And check whether your brightness not changes on your computer is solved or not. Go to the next fixes, scan your system, open command prompt windows, and in command prompt windows run the command sfc scan now. To open command prompt windows, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, and here execute the command sfc scan now and press enter and let the Windows complete the scanning procedure. It will check corrupted files in your system and repair them accordingly. The next one is right click on start button, choose settings again, and from the left side go to Windows update and click on check for updates, and if you find any available updates, download and install it in your system.